Hey everyone! Today we're setting up the connection between Power BI and SAP systems, BW or HANA. This connection is critical for leveraging your operational data directly in your dashboards, but it requires a specific connector installation before you can link your data. Step 1. Download and install the connector. You first need the SAP connector for Microsoft.NET, which is a driver that enables Power BI to communicate with SAP systems. Open a web browser and search for the SAP connector for Microsoft.NET. Locate the latest stable version and choose the installer that matches your operating system architecture, for example, 64-bit. Download and run the installer file following the on-screen prompts to complete the installation on your Windows system. Step 2. Access the connector in Power BI. Launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop, go to Get Data, then More. In the search box, type SAP and select the appropriate connection option, for example, SAP Business Warehouse Application Server or SAP HANA Database. Click Connect. Step 3. Configure credentials and data mode. In the dialog box, provide the required credentials, server, system number, and client ID. Choose the Data Connectivity mode. Either Import, which brings data into Power BI and stores it locally, offering fast reporting, or Direct Query, which sends queries to SAP in real time with no local storage, ensuring data freshness. Click OK. Finally, enter your SAP username and password and click Connect. Power BI will now establish a live connection to the SAP data source, allowing you to build your reports and dashboards. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.